Expansion is just one step forward in the progress from early Greek science, when everybody knew of their flat Earth in the centre of the great universe, with the moon and the sun and the stars and the planets all going round the Earth. Then Pythagoras, about 600 BC, was the first to prove to himself that the Earth was a sphere. But Zeno, his successor, had laughed at such a silly idea. Think of the people underneath, with their feet pointing upwards and the rain falling upwards. How silly. By 300 BC, Aristotle of Samos was the first to show, to his satisfaction, that far from being the centre, the Earth itself went round the sun, which was the centre, along with all the planets and the stars. But Ptolemy, he proved with very good formulae whereby he could predict the paths of planets. He proved that no, the Earth was the centre, and moon and sun and planets all went round the Earth. And this view prevailed for another 2,000 years, until Copernicus re-established what Aristarchus had known 2 millennia before him, and he nearly lost his head for it. It was into this century when people all knew that the continents were fixed on the face of the Earth. And it's only in the 60s that it's generally been accepted that the continents have moved over the surface of the Earth relative to each other, even though Wegener knew this 50 years before. And now it's 50 years since Hilgenberg and Lindemann knew that the Earth was expanding. And now it's your turn to realize that the Earth is expanding. May I quote from Alexander Pope? Be thou the first true merit to befriend. His praise is lost who stays till all commend.